I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a zip tool. On Windows, use built-in context menu. On Mac OS, use Finder. On Linux, install zip/unzip. Once confirmed, gather the files you want compressed into one folder so the archive structure is clean. Then open a terminal or navigate with the file manager to that folder. This is where you run commands or right-click to create the archive. Make sure to choose a descriptive archive name now so you avoid renaming later. You create the archive with a single command or GUI action. For command line, type zip archive. Zip folder / to include subfolders recursively. If you need confidentiality, use zip archive. Zip files and pick a strong password because encryption prevents casual access. To skip temporary or unnecessary files, add exclusions such as X*, TMP, or specific paths. Once done, verify the archive size and contents with unzip archive. You finish by extracting to a target directory, unzip archive. Zip target // or double-click in a file manager. Once extracted, verify integrity by comparing checksums like SHA-256 some archive. Zip in the extracted files or open key files to confirm contents. If the archive reports errors or extraction fails, try repairing with zip archive. Zip out fixed. Zip or restore from your backup copy. If passwords fail, remember that brute forcing is impractical. Check for typos and re-request the password from the sender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.